In this video, we're going to show you how to install the center cap on your Jeep Grand Cherokee located on the outside of your wheel. And when you're replacing the center cap on your wheel, you would normally think you would want to remove the wheel to do it. In this case here, you can use a pick. You're going to come in behind, right behind the lug nut. And what you're doing is you're going to come in behind the cap itself and just bump the pick down. And it pops that center cap out just like that. Go ahead and take the new cap, simply line that up. Go ahead and tap that on. You want to go ahead and repeat that process for the other three wheels.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.